Every metalworker knows that carbide burrs are powerful tools for shaping, smoothing, and refining metals, but not everyone unlocks their full potential. Today, let's dive into 7 carbide burr hacks every metalworker should know. Tips that go far beyond the basics and can elevate your results from good to great. Hack number 1. Choose the right cut for the right metal. While single-cut burrs are great for rapid material removal, especially on hard metals, double-cut burrs are your secret weapon for smoother finishes. When working with stainless steel, a double-cut burr not only removes material efficiently, but also leaves behind a finer surface. The twin flutes break up chips and reduce the load on each tooth, minimizing chatter and heat buildup. The result? Less time spent on secondary finishing and a cleaner, more polished look straight off the tool. Hack number 2. Use aluminum-cut burrs to prevent clogging on soft metals. Standard burrs often get gummed up when working with aluminum, brass, or copper, leading to poor performance and frequent cleaning. Aluminum-cut burrs, designed with wider, deeper flutes, eject chips more effectively and resist clogging. This means you can work faster and longer without stopping to clear out debris. If you ever find yourself struggling with buildup, remember, a quick switch to an aluminum-cut burr can keep your workflow smooth and hassle-free. Hack number 3. Fine-tune your die grinder speed for optimal performance. Most carbide burrs operate best within a specific RPM range, and adjusting your speed can drastically impact your results. For larger burrs, those over a quarter-inch in diameter, keep your die grinder between 10,000 and 20,000 RPM. This reduces chatter, gives you more control, and extends both tool and burr life. For smaller burrs, you can safely run at higher speeds, but always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. A variable speed grinder can be a game changer, letting you match the speed to the task for maximum precision. Hack number 4. Eliminate chatter by optimizing your grip and approach angle. Chatter isn't just annoying, it can ruin your finish and wear out your burrs faster. Hold your tool firmly with 2 hands, if possible, and approach the workpiece at a slight angle rather than head-on. Let the burr's flutes do the cutting with gentle, controlled pressure. If the burr skips or chatters, reduce your speed or adjust your angle until you find the sweet spot where cutting is smooth and consistent. Hack number 5. Use a collet reducer to expand your tool compatibility. Sometimes you want to use a specialty burr designed for a Dremel rotary tool with your larger die grinder, but the shank sizes don't match. Enter the collet reducer, a simple sleeve that adapts a smaller shank to fit a larger collet. This handy accessory opens up a wider range of burrs and applications, giving you more flexibility in your shop without investing in extra tools. Hack number 6. Keep your burrs clean and sharp with regular maintenance. A clogged or dull burr can overheat, chatter, and deliver poor results. After heavy use, soak your burrs in a bit of solvent to dissolve stubborn debris, then brush them clean with a brass wire brush. For aluminum buildup, a quick dip in oven cleaner can work wonders. Regular cleaning not only preserves cutting efficiency, but also extends the life of your expensive carbide burrs. Hack number 7. Experiment with creative shaping and texturing. Carbide burrs aren't limited to smoothing edges or removing welds. Try using different shapes, like flame, ball, or tree, to carve grooves, create textures, or add intricate details to your project. With a steady hand and a bit of practice, you can use burrs to sign your work, add decorative patterns, or create custom surface finishes that set your metalwork apart. With these 7 hacks, your carbide burrs will become more than just tools. They'll be precision instruments in your metalworking arsenal, helping you work smarter, faster, and with professional-level results. Use our coupon code below to get 10% off your next purchase.